So the next step is to put this into Illustrated or Photoshop to add some color. So you highlight this. I want to make the line thickness slightly thicker. So you click on the line at the top, click on thick, maybe make it 1 mil thick. Highlight the shape, edit, copy, and I've already got Photoshop open, and you paste this into Photoshop. Now you can zoom in, and then using the magic wand tool, what I would do first is click on the layer, duplicate the layer, right click, duplicate layer, so you have a copy. Right, I'll put the copy at the bottom. On the first layer, use the magic wand tool, and you can click on different sides. So if I want to click on the top and I want to change that into brown, click on my brown color, bottom right. Or I could use color library and pick a brown color. Using my paint bucket, I could add color to whichever part I want. Right? If I wanted to add texture, I would go to images, find a texture of chocolate, which I've got one open here, copy the image, go back to Photoshop, and this is where you keep the original layer. So you click on the original, using the magic wand tool, which is the fourth one down, magic wand, you click on whichever layer you want, right? Then you click on, go back to layer 1, make sure you click your original layer, click on edit, paste special, paste into, and then if you press Ctrl T, you've got a chocolate layer inside of that shape, right? Or if you wanted to, if I wanted one side, the top part, it's probably best to do it individually. Click on the top layer with the magic wand tool, click on edit, paste special, paste into, I've got the texture on that part of the face. Go back to my layer, click on the second part, edit, paste special, paste into, I've got another texture. If I press Ctrl T, that's a shortcut. Otherwise you can go to image, I think it's edit, transform and scale. So you can click on that, or the shortcut would be Ctrl T, and you can scale this up and you can move it about, and you can rotate this if you wanted to. So if I click on the corner, or if I click right click, rotate clockwise, so you can rotate this, press enter to finish. At the same time you can also add, you can change the color of this if you wanted to add caramel. So if I click on chocolate caramel or caramel texture, right, so if I get a caramel texture, this one for example, click on copy, click on layer, click on edit, paste into, and I can adjust this to however I want. Right, if I wanted in all three, I could have a biscuit layer, and that's how you make a chocolate, and you ended it in thing.